Hi Gemini! Kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one. So, hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. Pwede ninyong panoorin ang inyong Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Gemini. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Tingnan natin kung ano yung mga energies and messages for you. Ano yung mga gabay para sa mga Gemini. Okay. Merong bag. Something important such as a new job or a raise. Okay. For some of you, magkakaroon kayo ng bagong trabaho. Okay. Or salary raise. Meron kayong matatanggap na malaking pera or bagong trabaho. Okay. Merong increase in salary. Caterpillar. Things will not always be this way. A change is coming. Okay, a change is coming. Prepare for that, Gemini. Cup. You should accept valid criticism. Okay. Choose your battles wisely. Accept valid criticism. You should only accept valid criticism. Okay. Crib. Birth or conception of a child or enterprise. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo, bagong negosyo. Meron kayong bagong pagkakaabalahan. For some of you, you are expecting a child. Okay. Shield. You need to defend yourself. Yeah. You need to defend yourself, Gemini. Kung merong mga issues or concerns, okay. Stand up for yourself. Okay. Staff. You will be taken care of in difficult times. Okay. May mga tao na tutulong sa inyo. They are willing to help you kung merong mga trouble or problema sa trabaho or sa business. Okay. Yeah. Tingnan natin kung ano yung messages from the tarot for Gemini, please. Gemini. For Gemini. Ano yung messages and energies for Gemini? Ano yung mga paparating at mga gabay for Gemini, please. Gemini. Okay. May mga bago kang creative na naisip, maybe sa trabaho ito or sa business, mga bagong paraan. Be original. You are looking forward. You are excited about it, Gemini. Okay. Of course, may mga challenges, pero kailangan mong pag-isipan, pagplanuhan ng mabuti. Okay. Bagong endeavor, exciting endeavor for you. Okay. Yes, you are getting information about it. For some of you, kailangan mag-ingat sa mga tao na dishonest or sa mga lies, deception, okay, panloloko or mga nagti-take advantage. Be careful. Be careful with your things, with your assets, okay? Or kumukuha ng mga ideas sa inyo. Merong tao na hindi mapagkatiwalaan around you. Maybe sa work, okay? Balance and moderation in all that you do. Okay? Yeah. Be patient. Kung meron kayo mga pinaplans, okay? Be patient. Wait for the right timing. Okay? Balansehin ang inyong isip at ang inyong pakiramdam. Pahabain ang inyong pasensya. Yeah. Okay. May pinag-iisipan ka, okay? May sinastadihan. Someone is leaving, okay? Is this you, Gemini? You are going to something na mas meaningful para sa inyo, okay? Yeah. Parang meron ka pang hinahanap, okay? Na mas meaningful para sa inyo, okay? Or this is someone. You are getting clarity about the situation. Yeah, or maybe someone is leaving. Okay. And may mga questions ka about it. Gusto mo ng clarity. Ano yung naging problema? Okay. Yeah. Maybe that someone got something from you. Okay. Okay, you have to control your emotions, your anger. Okay, be patient. Okay. You are taking action on something about your stability, your security. Okay. Yeah. It's going to take a lot of work. Magiging busy ka kung ano man yan, yung gusto nyong gawin or gusto nyong ma-achieve. Gemini. Yeah. Kailangan mo ng balance and harmony or time management para magawa mo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. Okay? With regards to your finances, with regards to your work or sa career mo, this is parang pang long term mo na to na security, okay? Financial security and stability. There will be joy and contentment in your home life. You feel accomplished, okay? Yeah. Okay. May mga bagong options pagdating sa kaperahan, okay? May mga changes, significant na mga pagbabago na mangyayari sa life ninyo. Okay? May mga realization. Yeah. For some of you, meron kayong gustong pasukin na opportunity. Okay? New income, new opportunity na maka-income, okay? New stream of income for you, Gemini. And pinag-aaralan mo yon. Meron kayong idea na naisip. Yes. This is a successful time for you. Parang meron kang, kung ano man yung gagawin mo, it will be a successful one. Okay? Magiging matagumpay yun. Midas touch. Okay? You have the knowledge, the wisdom, kakayahan, experience para maging successful ang inyong gagawin. Okay? You are a wise person, Gemini, most especially when it comes to money or handling your money or your businesses. Okay? Yeah. Kung meron mang ino-offer sa inyo na opportunity, accept it with confidence, okay? Okay. For some of you, nawawalan kayo ng confidence sa sarili. Okay? Negative thoughts, negative thinking, okay? You feel na parang hindi mo kayang gawin. Okay? There are things not turning the way you'd hope. Okay. Yeah, nag-overthink kayo. And for some of you, merong boredom, merong silent treatment. You don't want to talk to someone, okay? Ayaw mong abalahin ka or kausapin ka because naiisip mo kung ano yung mga hindi magandang nangyari, okay? Yung intention mo, yung attention mo ay sa iba. Okay? For some of you, merong loss when it comes sa money, okay? And you're thinking about it. Merong opportunity na ino-offer sa'yo, pero hindi mo pa binibigyan ng pansin. Okay? Merong disappointment. The Hierophant. May question about commitment, okay? Yes, merong dishonesty na nangyari, merong deception, merong someone na gumawa ng hindi maganda, na naapektuhan ang inyong trabaho, ang inyong business, ang inyong negosyo, okay? Yeah. For some of you, you're asking advice. May mga tao din na tutulong sa inyo, okay? May mga taong mabait na nakapaligid sa inyo na willing tumulong or tutulungan ka. Okay? Gemini. But you are very disappointed on someone. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, merong problem or concerns about marriage, okay? Hindi kayo nag-uusap, nag-overthink ka, or yung person mo, it's the other way around, okay? Pwedeng ganun. These are the energies. Just take what resonates for you, Gemini, okay? Parang merong disappointment about money and wealth, okay? That's why merong silent treatment. Hindi kayo nag-uusap, may problem about marriage or commitment, okay? Yeah. Yeah. Parang merong news or something, may nangyari. Okay, may natanggap kayong news na kinagugulat ninyo. Okay. Yeah. For some of you, this is a good surprise, good news about money, new income. Okay. You have a very happy or contented home life. Yeah, there is success in there. Okay? You are too busy about sa work, about sa kaperahan ninyo, about your business, okay? You are working very hard para ma-establish itong family or contentment sa life or happy home life. Okay? Meron lang concern about someone. Maybe a question of loyalty. Okay. Merong disappointment on someone. Yeah. Because there is a loss of money. Okay? Hindi wise ang paggamit ng pera. Okay? So, just take what resonates for you, Gemini. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's time for you to review kung ano yung mga nangyayari sa situation mo. Okay? A wake-up call is needed or merong wake-up call sa inyo. For some of you, merong change of direction. Yeah. You're thinking about, you are cautious about spending money or about your money. You have to make a good decision about your work, about sa kaperahan mo, about sa business mo. You're holding on too much about your money, okay? Yeah, but you know, you are manifesting, okay? Something good will happen. Okay? Merong meetings, pag-uusap, level up. Yeah. Meron kang kakayahan para mabigyan ng solusyon kung ano man yung problema, Gemini. You have all the tools, the skills, you are a decision maker, you have the power to do it. Okay? Let's see. Ano yung messages for you from the Spirit for Gemini? We see that you are on the brink of a breakthrough that you have patiently been waiting for. A situation is about to come full circle. The lessons have been learned. This is a win-win situation for you. Trust that we are working behind the scenes to ensure the best outcome for you. Okay. From the angel number, what is your message for Gemini, please? If you keep seeing the number 6, this is the message for you. Your heart is your gift. You are a natural born nurturer and have a great talent for helping and healing others. You are the epitome of self-sacrifice and a protector of those you love. I am nurturing. So you are nurturing, Gemini. Okay? So these are the messages for you. Thank you so much and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!